Here are 5 popular tech brand names you might be pronouncing incorrectly. A name is a brand's primary identity, and just like you wouldn't want your name to be mispronounced, no brand wants his name to be mispronounced either. So it's essential to know how to pronounce brand names as it aids effective communication. So at number 1 is Huawei. If you have been pronouncing this name as Huawei or something else, the correct pronunciation is Huawei. A close English phrase to remember this is who are we? So Huawei. Number 2, Xiaomi. If you have been pronouncing this word as Xiaomi or anything else, the correct pronunciation is Xiaomi. The closest English phrase to remember this is show me. So Xiaomi. Number 3, Adobe. Probably the most mispronounced brand name, often pronounced as Adobe or Adobe, but the correct pronunciation is Adobe. Number 4, Google. Even though this one is very popular, some people still call it Google. It's Google. Number 5, Amazon. If you have been pronouncing this as Amazon or Amazon, you are wrong. The correct pronunciation is Amazon. How have you been pronouncing these tech brand names? Let me know in the comment section. Please like this video, share it with others, and follow for more helpful tech tips like this.